In this space, the reason we're here is crystal clear. We came into crypto because we don't want banks, we don't want middlemen, and we don't want a currency controlled by governments. We want money that belongs to the people, secured by math, powered by code, and running on decentralized networks. Bitcoin gave us the blueprint. But evolution never stops, and that's where Kaspa steps in. Kaspa is not just another coin. It's the purest form of what Satoshi Nakamoto envisioned. Fully decentralized, no venture capitalists pulling strings, secured by proof of work, and yet massively faster than Bitcoin thanks to its Ghost DAG protocol and block DAG technology. Where Bitcoin produces one block every 10 minutes, Kaspa is running 10 blocks per second. Scalability, security, decentralization, all three pillars stand strong. This is Bitcoin's design, reimagined for the modern era. The version of crypto that even Satoshi himself would have preferred if the technology had existed back then. That's the foundation. But the question that matters most is simple. How much Kaspa do you need to become a millionaire? The math doesn't lie, and the targets I'll walk you through are based on realistic scenarios for this cycle and beyond. Kaspa today sits at just 9.1 cents with a $2.44 billion market cap. From here, the upside is enormous. Start with the ultra bearish case. Imagine Kaspa peaks at only 50 cents. Personally, I think this is laughably low, but let's include it. At 50 cents, you need 2 million Kaspa coins. That's a $183,400 investment at today's price. If the cycle tops there, you hit millionaire status. Now, the real bearish scenario I believe in is $1. At a $1 peak, you need exactly 1 million Kaspa coins. At today's price, that costs only $91,700. And I say only because Kaspa already traded at double the current price. This is buying an asset with world-class fundamentals at a discount, with millionaire potential at a cost lower than the price of a mid-tier home. Move to a more conservative and very realistic case, $2. At $2, you'd only need 500,000 Kaspa coins. That's a $45,900 position today. For less than the cost of a new car, you're setting yourself up for a seven-figure future. Then comes the $3 target. At $3, you only need 333,000 coins. That's about $30,600 right now. This is the kind of asymmetric bet crypto was built for. Risk small, win big. And finally, the bull case, a level that's not guaranteed this cycle, but entirely possible in the next. If Kaspa hits $5, the millionaire threshold is just 200,000 coins. At today's prices, that's $18,400. That's an entry point smaller than many people's annual savings, positioned into an asset that could rewrite crypto's future. Whether your vision is short-term or long-term, these numbers lay out the path. The beauty of Kaspa is that it doesn't need hype, it doesn't need gimmicks. It's fundamentals, math, and technology. The kind of project where conviction meets reality. I'll close with this. Wealth in crypto isn't built by chasing noise. It's built by owning assets that embody the reason this industry exists. Kaspa is that reason. Stay rational, stay patient, and let time and conviction do the heavy lifting. Dr. Money Glitcher.